Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change a screensaver in Windows 11. If this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is like write down below in comments that it was helpful. So when other people will come, they will say like, okay, it was helpful. So go to the bottom, to the Windows, let me show you. Right click on it, on the start menu and click settings. Now, in the moment when you're going to click settings, you want to go to personalization, and then in a personalization you want to click on lock screen, and then you can have the screensaver right here under the screen timeout. I'll just click mouse settings here, and here you're gonna have the screensaver, and you can choose and change between multiple screensavers. So that's pretty much it how we do it. And yeah, if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.